Hello and welcome, I'm Lina. I'm thrilled to guide you through this gentle yin practice. You'll be focusing on releasing the tension in our hips, inviting deep relaxation into our bodies and minds. And we'll be holding the poses for up to 1 to 2 minutes. You don't really need any props, but you might want to use a pillow to support you. So go at your own pace and honor your bodies. So first we're going to start off with just centering our breath. So just close your eyes. Let's begin just sitting in a comfortable position on our mats. Close our eyes. Just take a nice deep breath in. And as you breathe out, allow your shoulders to drop. Another nice deep breath in. As you breathe out, feel your whole body relaxing, allowing each breath to be deeper. With each breath, feel a sense of calm in your mind and in your body. The body feeling more and more relaxed, ready for your yoga practice. And then gently open your eyes. So we're going to start off with doing a butterfly pose, starting with your feet together. Now you can stay cross-legged, or you can bring your feet together if that's comfortable, and then you can stay here, or you can come forward, as much as forward as possible, or like this. Now with each stretch, you want to be feeling a comfortable stretch on the opposite direction that you're moving. And so with butterfly, you are moving forward. So you're going to feel a stretch on the back of your neck, even your shoulders, your spine, and your hips. And here, it's actually stretching your inner thighs. So nice deep breath in. Always stretch up when you do any pose and push your tailbone down. You'll notice when we stretch up, the spine is arching like this. So what we want to do is push the tailbone down so it supports your back. So breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down, and just come down as far as you can. Like I say, we're going to be here for about a couple of minutes. So take a breath and just relax. Just do what feels comfortable to you. Honor your bodies and breathe. Now, as you're in this stretch, just remember to breathe. The deeper you breathe, the deeper your organs, your skin, your whole body is going to be nourished. The mind becomes relaxed. Just feeling your body, just letting go of the tensions of your day. Just breathe. And if you've got any distractions, if you've got those noisy thoughts, just for now, just allow those thoughts to float away like clouds on a sunny day. Allow your mind to become quiet, allowing yourselves to relax. You might want to come a bit further down or stay where you are, or even ease off, whatever works for you. Should be feeling a lovely stretch on your neck, your back, your shoulders, Your hips are stretching. Just do what feels comfortable. Honor your body. Few more seconds here. And then coming up slowly. Next, we're going to stay in butterfly, but we're going to come on the floor. Now, you can use a pillow for this, or you don't have to. So what you can do, coming on your mat, you can place the pillow just here, and then you're just going to lie over it. Or if you don't want to use a pillow, you don't have to. I am going to. So just now you can have your arms at the side. You can bring your arms up like this as well, and just breathe. If you feel that having your legs in butterflies too much, you can actually just bring them down like this, or you can have your feet and legs like this. Whatever feels comfortable, and breathe. Use this time to get quiet. I know sometimes we don't like to get quiet because the mind might be too noisy, or people think they're going to get bored. But use this to just allow yourselves to relax into the pose. Quiet allows you to get clarity. It brings calm, solutions, and so much more. A few more seconds here. And then bringing your knees together, if they're in butterfly, rolling over to one side, and then coming up slowly. Next, we're going to do pigeon or swan. So if it's difficult for you to come down, you can actually have your feet like this, and then you're just going to come forward. So feeling a lovely stretch just here. Okay. If you want to go a bit further, if you feel that you can, just straightening your leg. Straightening your leg like this, and you can be like this. Or if you feel that you can go further, you can come down like this. If you want to go further, you can come down like this. It's going to work on opening up your hips. So do what feels comfortable to you and breathe. And if it feels too much to be down here, you can come up. You can come up like that. Whatever feels comfortable to you. And then coming up slowly. Let's go over to the other side. So remember, you can stay in swan and be here. You can come down, you can straighten the back leg and be like this. Or you can come down like this. Or you can come down like this, stretching your arms in front. Just breathe. Again, if it's too much, ease off, just come up to feel what's comfortable for you. Breathe. Come up slowly, gently, coming up like this. Now we're going to come into a lying twist. So, lying down, arms out like a T, knees coming one way, head coming the other direction, and just breathe. You can close your eyes and breathe. Feel a lovely stretch on the back of your neck and your hips. Breathe. And then bringing your legs to the center, head to the center, legs falling in the other direction, head going the opposite direction to your legs, to your knees, and breathe. Breathe. Bringing your legs, your knees to the center, head to the center, and then rolling over to one side and coming to a seated position. As we prepare to close our practice, take a moment to thank yourself for showing up, dedicating this time to your well-being. Carry this sense of openness and ease that you've cultivated on the mat and into the rest of your day. Remember, you have the power to create space, release tension in your body and mind. If you've enjoyed this practice and you think someone else would benefit, please share and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on social media where I share wellness tips as well. And until next time, namaste.